Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video on PYTH. The PYTH network is one of the daily winners according to CoinMarketCap. It's news driven, but we here on this channel take a look at the chart side of things. So the problem is on this chart, it's obviously it's a lifetime downtrend, right? So from a chart point of view, you don't really have much to work with. What we do have though is the context, which tells us, yes, it is a lifetime downtrend, but it is probably, best I can tell, a 3-wave move down. So that means, what we have on this chart is we have an initial move down labeled wave A. We have a move up labeled wave B, and then based on that, I can calculate a target for wave C. I mean, we talked about it in previous member live streams a lot that technically this is an ABC structure to the downside, but we didn't really get any clear upside reversal signal until we got a break above this trend line here. And even then, it's been quite choppy until now, the news event. So realistically, catching a low like that, unless you really have, from an Elliott wave point of view, a clear 5-wave move up, 3-wave move down is difficult. We did get something I would call a 3-wave move up, 3-wave move down, because this pullback was clearly corrective in nature as well. And this is also important, then a micro 5-wave move up from the August low. That is, however, what we've seen on many other crypto charts as well. Many other altcoin charts have given us 5-wave movements to the upside from the August low. No doubt about that. You see it very, very clearly here. This is a 5-wave move up. Hold on. Yeah, I guess everybody can see that. So that indicated, okay, potentially low is in, and then obviously the corrective pullback. And now, what we now need to do here, what is it? It's a news-driven rally. That's problematic in crypto. Many news-driven rallies, don't follow through. The only way how I can call that basically is still let's say turn into something that is more sustainable than just a pump and dump is if it turns into a diagonal pattern. So from an Elliott wave point of view, and the wave structure would support that at the moment, I could call this a potential diagonal structure, but I need to see all 5 waves for a completed diagonal. Then, yeah, we have some real evidence and a larger time frame move that actually indicates that here the larger time frame downtrend moves into a larger time frame uptrend. We already have a local uptrend, absolutely. So that's why we're using these Fibonacci support areas, because this Fibonacci support zone here, between 13.5 to 15.8 cents, it's keeping the uptrend intact. But it's not necessarily a long-term uptrend until we get 5 waves up, 3 waves down. So this 5-wave move up here could turn into a wave 1 then. And then we can track a larger trend like this, yeah? But there's much work required for this. And honestly, realistically, most altcoins aren't doing that. But if we get these 5 waves, sequence of 5 waves to 30.3 cents or higher, then I can add support for wave 2, which would possibly set the stage for a 3rd wave rally afterwards. In the very short term, I mean, we've reached first resistance at 20.6 cents. Sorry, 20.2 cents. When you watch the video, maybe things have changed. I mean, this is just pumped, right? So the video can only give you a snapshot. But I always try to give you an idea of what is now important to watch for, because if the 3rd wave that seems like it's unfolding right now can push a little bit higher to the 138% extension at 25.9 cents, then I can really call that a 3rd wave. There are certain guidelines these 3rd waves need to fulfill. When we are there, we can really watch for the wave 4 pullback. At the moment, if a pullback starts, it should hold above 13.5 cents to keep that uptrend intact. But honestly, I'd prefer that this 3rd wave pushes a little higher to the 138% extension first, because that is the first ideal target that we normally want to see reached in a 3rd wave, yeah? So yeah, that's the update on PYTH. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And yeah, if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.